In 2026, I want to master public speaking. So almost all my life, I have issues to speak on camera, like I'm doing right now. I notice that when I speak, I say the words so and a lot. It's because I'm trying to gather my thoughts. And at first, before pressing record, I believe in my mind that I already know what I'm going to say. Another thing that I do when I speak, especially in front of a camera, is that I stutter. You know, you can tell the stuttering in my mouth, but I don't really stutter. There you go. So I really don't stutter a lot. I normally talk good, but obviously, because now I'm doing something that is out of my comfort zone, is talking to and is speaking to camera, because I know that there is going to be somebody that is going to watch this video. But I have to be okay with that, because one of my goals is to speak better and do public speaking and talk and network with people, especially like with people that are, a little bit higher in the game, either in YouTube or in photography or in videography. I'm trying to get adjusted to speak better, so I know how to speak and network, because that's one of my problems. Since I was a kid, I always was the shy one and the one that always stayed quiet. I grew up. I did some bad stuff, right? We make bad decisions, but no matter if I was like, when I was going out there and I was doing bad stuff, even when I was doing bad stuff, I was still like in the back, because I didn't want them to be like, I don't want to be judged or be criticized or speaking up. So I learned how to speak up. I learned how to be on my own, right? My own thoughts, my own process, because everybody's belief system is different. So I know everybody's opinions is different. So I gotta understand, but I also wanted my opinions. I was tired of being the one that follows somebody else's and approval. And sometimes there were things that I liked, but they didn't like. So I said that I didn't like it, because that's something that they didn't approve of. But I got tired of that, and I was like, you know what? No, I'm going to be me, right? I'm gonna learn how to speak. I'm gonna learn how to speak up, and I done all that. I learn, I read, and now that I wanted to do YouTube, you know, and I try to do some videos, like, so if you go, there's a couple of videos, but then I do one a year or two, and that's my problem. I don't keep going. And the reason is that every time I go back and rewatch those videos, my brain is like, oh, you sound cringe, you sound horrible, you sound bad. And I'm like, nah, you know what? Nah, I think I kind of doubt myself, and I just don't really actually go and continue doing more videos. So I've been lately, little by little, doing one video. And what I done in the beginning, instead of watching my videos, I just uploaded them and never watched them again. And just like that, I got the habit of like uploading videos. And it's not a lot of videos that I have uploaded, but I mean, I feel the rhythm already. I feel a little bit more comfortable. And I finally decided to watch all my videos. And guess what? I noticed that the more I did the videos, even if they were like a year old, the more I felt like I was talking better. So now that I'm kind of constantly doing this, I feel confident that I could speak better on camera, and I could proceed here in YouTube with my vlogs, because that's my plan, because I'm planning to vlog my journey to success, right? Because, I always want to be successful. I just don't know what it is. There's so many things that I want to do, but I'm just going to see what happens. I'm going to learn little stuff here, little stuff over there. Like, I am a construction worker, but I also want to do something different. So I do photography on the side. I'm an event photographer. You know, I do more events. I do portraits, but more events. I'm also well, obviously I'm learning video, and I do videos here and there, so that's good. And I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone, and I'm trying to learn how to make money, you know, and so one day I could reach the, you know, successful status that everybody dreams of, right? I also dream that, you know, I come from a very dark place, but other than less, we don't care about the past. This is now, today. What matters is what I do today and going forward in the future. I feel like God has a purpose for me, and for years He had told me that I needed to do something different and stop being afraid. And one of my goals is to stop being afraid of doing YouTube or public speaking or speaking out loud, because I do that on normal basis now. I don't let nobody step over me. I learn how to do all that. Now the next step is here, because I understand that this is a bigger audience here in YouTube. There's a lot of people, and yes, I do get overwhelmed thinking about what people are gonna think about me, how I sound, and everything. But no, man, screw that. I'm gonna say what is in my mind, and I'm gonna stick to this, and continue moving forward in my journey, right? My journey to get out of 9 to 5, build a better future for myself, and become a better man. Become a better man. So I know this is a little bit just ranting, talking video, but you know, it's something that I needed to get out my chest, and also practice, you know, talking on camera and talking a little bit more better, and hopefully I could soon get better at this so I could sound a little bit more better and keep on going and keep on going. So stay tuned, and I see you on the next video. Peace.